The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, fellas. Guys, very good morning. Deepak, John, Tom, fellas, good morning, good morning. Today is Friday. Dennis, good morning. It is July 8th. It is not only the last day of the week, it is the last day of this room link. Next week, you guys will have to sign up for the next 2-week segment. If you folks are newer, please remember that every 2 weeks, the link changes. That link is found in the member area. If you email me on Monday and you tell me on Monday I didn't get an invite to the room, I will not respond to that email. I'll post it later. Good morning, Billy. I'll make mention of it again later. I have no bots on at this point. We're waiting on non-farm payrolls at 8:30. I do not suggest that you are trading. ESBot through this last trade here at 558 is up 650. Did not let it take that trade at 743. I shut the bot off. And I did an MES bot, same thing, is up 150. In any event, good morning. Let me just quickly check a chart here. All right. Guys, let me quickly read the disclaimer and then we'll look at charts and we will sit and we will wait on non-farm payroll. U.S. government required disclaimer, futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. All right, guys. All right. Let's do charts. Come on, 82. All buyers. Yes. NASDAQ. If NASDAQ pushes below 990, we come 948 quick. Below 990 on the NASDAQ, we come 950, call it. Come on, NASDAQ, drop. 15, almost now 1,600 net sellers, NASDAQ. 1,600 net sellers. little bit of support at 16 on the NASDAQ. ES is holding. There's a confluence of support on the hourly between a pivot. There's first target on the bot and the 52 period on the hourly on the cloud. Below that, we could fall 850, 3850. I'm going to put this. I'm going to put that on for now. Let's. My long is above 3,900. If you are aggressive, you can take it at 95, which is above VWAP. If you're short ZB, trade them as you see fit. Come on, go 6. Let's go. All right, NASDAQ breaks 90, it's going to get slaughtered if you're short. ES breaks 75, we're going to trade 65. This is mine, 60, but we're going to get 65. All right, you can have one. Come on, break 90. Anybody short ES, it's a free trade. If you're short ES, it's free. Broke 90, it's over. Target now on the NASDAQ. ES target is 65, next level. NASDAQ target 950. 950. I told you yesterday at the close, a whole lot of puts came in. Lot of puts, and I didn't buy any. $65, next target ES, fellas. Anybody short ES or NASDAQ? 50 on the NASDAQ. Okay, Andy. Guys, it's Friday. You should, if you're short, you should be one and done. Well, NASDAQ didn't get my 50. Made a liar out of me. Got 54. All right, JLG. All right, fellas. Guys, as always, trade the runners as you see fit. Below 65, we come 60 and 55. If we break below 55, the party's over. Thank you, John. Party's over. Below 55 on the ES. The party is over. This 3 days up or whatever we had, daily goal hit. Nice job, Tim. It's over. You're done for the day. Made 10 Apex accounts. Nice job. You made $2,800 on each account. Nice. It's $28,000 day. little more patience on those bonds that I had my first full target. I suspect ES, if we're going to get a bounce, guys, is going to be somewhere around 50. Top of the hourly cloud. It lines up with a pivot. That's ES. S1 at 30, yeah, 38.50. That's where I think we're coming. It's the top of the hourly cloud. Nice job, Craig. I've changed my ES over to a funded account. 38.66.50 prior open. Thank you, Mimi. I just need anybody that's in ZB, if we blow through 37.02, NQ level was what? 50. We didn't get there. Close enough for hand grenades. 52 quarter. Oh, natural gas. I'm sorry. I'd like to go daily up on natural gas about 63.87. I have no option ideas at this point. I've got to see how the market opens, Tim. I want to see where we are. If we break below 55, so we'll let the market open. So I think this is the last. This area here is the last area of support for the ES. Come on, big guy. Let's go. Pump it up. Pump it up. We should get that 89. We should get it. 89.50 is where this thing should. If we get through 90, we're probably headed much higher. I would think on the open, if we don't get the pullback just ahead of the open or at the open, you probably want to buy calls. I'll buy 38 at 39.30s or 39.40s. Yeah, me too, Dan. Oh, above 38.90 is your long? I want to see 95. 90 is volume point of control. So 90 is your VPOC, right? I mean, you buy them where you want to buy them. I'm not trying to talk anybody out of doing anything. Unless you tell me you're going to jump off a bridge. Then I'm going to try to talk you out of it. Okay, out on the ES. And then we have to come through 95, which was support, is now resistance. I'll be long above 3,900. Only if there's no water. All right, fellas, it is 9:04. I'm going to take a brief break, and I'll be back in about 15 minutes. I am shutting off my bot. I have no interest in being in trades in this 25 minute period. Anybody have any questions before I eat my breakfast? All right, guys, I will be right back. Okay, right back. Come on. We do have buyers here. Let's see here. still like the longs. We have buyers, guys. All right, listen. I just jumped the trade. I took SPX 39.15s. I paid 660. 39.15s. I paid 660. You can get them cheaper now. If we get up through 91, 92, it's a better trade. This looks good here. Come on, get back above. Come on, NASDAQ, what are you doing? This is. I'm watching ES here, watching NASDAQ. This is just terrible. Come on, ES, get above VWAP and go. There we go. There's your 40. Almost. Yeah, I've never used that. I've never used it. Here we go. Come on, let's go. Pump up the jam. It's Friday in July, guys. Come on, ES. Poland. I paid 660. They're 670. Anybody bought the SPX calls 39.15s? There's NASDAQ going. Gonna have to get above 95, guys, on this ES. I jumped it. We're flat everywhere. You paid 580. Okay. ES needs 95, fellas. Above 95, and she goes. NASDAQ gets above VWAP. We like very much. That's MES. If anybody trades MES on the bot, MES. Come on, man. What? This is just flat to. All right, NASDAQ's leading. Get above VWAP. Come on, ES. Let's go. 95. They're slowly buying them. Got to clear 95 and then the whole number. All right, guys. Here we go. Booyah. Let's go. Clear 95. NASDAQ's long on the bot. 3-minute bot. Got to 97. Got to get over 95. The whole number now, guys. SPX calls are now bid 710. Manage your accounts. Manage your accounts. Next 10-minute bar, I think we go. As long as we can close over 95, we're good. We're ticks away. Come on, close over 95. Yeah, we did. Come on, now use 95. Let's go. We get above 900, fellas. This is rippy. This is gonna rip. Let's go. $750 bid. Come on. Yes, keep her going. Sold him at 710. Okay. The economic attack, Putin speaking. Come on, there's 95. Guys, this is big. If you guys are in the calls, trade them as you see fit. Look, here's your levels. We're above 95. Value area high is at 98. We've got to clear 3,900. You're in the money on your calls. Trade them as you see fit. We get above 3,900 and we're going. We're going. We're longs across the board. We're above 95 was your entry if you listened and took. Come on, here we go. Let's go, ES. 99.5. Come on, baby. There's 3,900. SPX calls are now bid 810. 810. Trade them as you see fit. You got there. Come on, baby. This is it. Bid through 3,900. If we get a close, 5-minute close above 3,900, this could be big. Your longs, guys. Your ES long was above 95. '95's been sucked lower. Small block buys here, but nothing. 475 here, a 67. Failed 90, got to 90, almost 39.01. Well, we're above it. Oh, 99 quarter. If we get up through the previous hour around 05, this swing here, that's out, that's previous hour high, 04 half. This will catch a bid quick. If we can maintain 3,900, it catches a bid quick. ES failed 94. ES NASDAQ gets above 102. Your target is 136. Trading into this rising 68 here, fellas. We may get a pullback in here, guys. We're pulling everything up. Right? We're still greens. We're not on a 5-minute yet, but we should trade. This should trade back to 47. 10:30, I'll get an update on volume. I imagine it's fairly light. Long. Yeah. Stop. Okay. $12,006 area support. I wish this ES would dump into 50 to 60 and get out of this middle of nowhere or break back up. I have no trades anywhere. ES, NASDAQ. I really don't. There's some, scalps in here. But short of that, if I trade Delta, I got to be short. Hit it to the tick and didn't fill it, which is annoying. Nice job, Mark. Yeah, I hit my goal on my account too, on one. NASDAQ's trying to go, fellas. Next level up on NASDAQ is 91. There it is, target 2 on the ES spot, target 2. Here comes first target on order flow, if anybody took that. Anybody take ES? Okay, 87 filled. Now just get them out of the way. Here comes target 3 on the ES spot. NASDAQ is going. Now we're going up. All right, guys, I'm going to look at those 39.10s again. They're 470. Nice job, Todd. So this is our resistance here, guys, on everything. I think we go up from here. This could be a, let's see here, it's 10:15, maybe 1, 2, maybe you took CL order flow long. Yeah, nice job. Greg gave it at 12 or 13. I mean, this is summer trading, guys. It's just torturous. Down to 2,200 on the NASDAQ, below 2,200 net sellers now. ES is below 3,000 now. And the ES spot almost to target 3. You know, again, we're coming back into that 90 and 95 zone. These two lines here, if we can get back above, 95, got to get above 90. Here's what's got to clear, 95 and 3,900. First hurdle is getting above VWAP, so trade your runner as you see fit. Next 10-minute candle, maybe 2 more 10-minute candles gets us out of this funk. We're pushing some hourly resistance. Come on, candle close above VWAP. All right, all 3 targets hit. The spot's now up 1,400. Not bad from 6 p.m. last night, huh? Brainerd's on now. Shoot. There will be no more interest rate hikes this year. Boom. I am not using a trade copier overnight. Good Lord, this is slow. Oh my God. Come on, get away from VWAP. Just blow it up. Let's go, ES. Blow it up. NASDAQ too. You're above VWAP. You're longs. Let's go. ES should get to 91, 92 before it runs into any noise. 92 is, that 91, 92 is kind of problematic. NASDAQ yutzing around. We've had some sellers come in, but they're getting absorbed. Next 10-minute bar in a minute and a half, and I think it's one more. And we can go. Is there anybody that did not make money today, fellas? Anybody not make money today? Guys, I'm gonna be aggressive. Be aggressive. See if I can get 14. Nice job, Mark. Josh just passed another one. Good job, Isaac. Deepak, where are those 470 calls now? $39.10s are now $9.50. $9.50. It's a double. Nice job, Tim. It's a double, fellas. Guys, all I'm doing, I'm going to take this out. I'll take $1,900 in a dead day. Let's see here, Rick. What you got, brother? Blew up a demo. Who gives a crap? Up 100 in another, up 825 in another, up 70, and you're funded. Nice job. You're welcome, man. Today is not a day to overtrade, fellas. Friday in July. Is there anybody not making money? No, it doesn't plot it, Sabir. It will only plot along when it breaks up through the candle close.